What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome to this video in which we're going to be talking about Ecash, or the previous Bitcoin Cash ABC, I think. Yeah, that was it. It's now called Ecash, which I wanted to cover. I wanted to cover it yesterday already. I mean, Ecash just sometimes has these very crazy moves. Volume is up by 10,000%. Went up from around 6 million up to 650 million where we're at right now, and before that, I mean, the volume usually is around 5 or 6 million. And I didn't cover this yesterday because sometimes certain cryptos get a lot of volume from Korea, and that's also the case right now. As you can see, BYBIT, yesterday this was around 80%, and now obviously when the price goes up, other cryptos or other exchanges and other pairs will go up too. But like BYBIT and BitThumb together is 75% of the volume, and usually when that volume goes up, I'm not sure what's going on. I've yet to figure out what that means, but then certain cryptos just go up by 50-60%, and it's all because people bought in Korea. And I'm just because of the cultural difference, I'm not sure, but also the language barrier, I'm not sure what's going on there. And that's why I didn't want to cover it yesterday. I kind of wanted to let it settle because, as you can see, it's very volatile. And today I did want to make an analysis, which, I mean, we can also check back on the daily. I mean, moves like these, this move was actually pretty big, but XCC just has these moves once in a while. And I know that there's a great community behind it. I really do. But when the volume goes up like that, it's just a little bit scary to analyze, I think. A lot of things can happen. But for now, for XCC, as you can see, the main resistance level we're struggling with, and I always name this as 5,200, for example, or 5,000. Otherwise, it's impossible. The main resistance level we're struggling with is this 5,300, 5,000 level. And we actually haven't been able to break that on the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we have been able to break that, and we also had a small break retest on top of 5,000. But that was it. All right, so there's not a lot of bullish momentum, I think, and therefore I think we could actually reach up to like 5,500, but I don't see us breaking above this level anymore. I think it's more likely that we'll actually drop down to 4,500 and 4,300, and that will kind of stay right here. And that, because I do expect more bearish impulses, that after a while we're also going to drop down to this 4,000 level, and that on top of that 4,000 level we could actually consolidate for a longer period of time, so something like this. And then I think the volatility also drops down, and then into perpetuity, at least until the next big thing happens. But yes, so I don't really see us getting higher. I think this was the move. We got our second move right here. Definitely, if you zoom into the 1-hour time frame, you can see that we're just getting rejected off of that level. All right, so if we actually get above like 5,300, if we break above that, which seems really unlikely for me right now, then sure, we could get up to 6,000. But as I tried to say the whole video, I really don't believe in this scenario. I think it's way more likely we'll drop down. I think we're going to hold this level here between 5,000 and 4,300. But after a while, I think we're going to have that bearish breakout down to 4,000. Consolidate, and then eventually drop down to 3,500 and consolidate. So yeah, that's basically my insights on XCC or Ecash for now. If you do have any questions about it, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.